हॅलो मोठा भाई,
मनोताई, इट्स दॅट यू?
I won't come to work from today onwards. Whatever I told you, I hope you understood that. Okay, Sakshi and Anjali, I expect you both to complete the work and report me till evening. Okay? You can leave.
हॅलो
हॅलो मोठा भाई,
मनोताई, इट्स दॅट यू?
I won't come to work from today onwards. I have purposefully not completed my work, which you have to complete by yourself.
Hey, how can you do such thing?
Whatever I am saying, keep in mind or write it down or you will forget.
One minute. Just a minute, I will write it down. Tell me.
You should complete all your bank work by yourself.
Banking related. You should do all work?
While going, lock the locker.
Ensure the locker is locked once you leave. Hey, I know it already.
Lady Mota bhai, your mind is always wandering. You will remember it na Mota bhai.
We'll keep it. Ram Bharose. Hey, Ram Bharose.
Yes, Mota bhai.
Hey, how come such a strange name? Ram Bharose.
Mota bhai, my surname is Bharose. My name is only Ram.
Yes, I know only Ram. How old, but the total name is Ram Bharose only, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay, tell me. How much tablet did you take yesterday, Kanta Sudharak?
Me? But why should I eat your tablets? That Kanta Sudharak.
No. The thing is, since morning, you are constantly screaming out my name. So just ask.
You don't understand it. A sky problem has crashed on my head.
Again?
Hey.
15 days ago you had said the same thing. Today again?
Huh? How did you know?
Mona has left the job, right?
How did you know it?
Before her, Tina, Meena, Reena had also left the job and you had said the same thing. A mountain has crashed on my head.
Hey man, how can these girls behave like this? How suddenly they quit their job?
Yes, I agree. How come? they suddenly quit and leave you. I think you are the problematic dose.
Dose? What is the relevance of dose here?
Not dosa. Problematic dose.
Okay, got it. But what do you mean by that?
You must be paying less salary. Or maybe if they eat here, you must be deducting the money from their salary. For the same, or if they are late, you must be marking it as a full day leave.
Hey man, these are the standard rules of hotel business. How can I run the hotel without these rules?
Other than salary, you implement all rules strictly. It does not apply to me since I stay here. So no question of coming late. And when you offer me the job, I was promised food and drinks along with salary. So no worries.
Hey man, stop this blabbering. Listen about the room number 111 of Mr. Lele.
Why should I take in the room number 111?
Hey, no need of taking anything. Our customer Mr. Lele, room number 111. Give him the lemon juice for hangover.
Hey Mota bhai, no stock of vegetable has arrived, so lemon are out of stock.
Hey, pick up from yesterday's old stock and give it to him.
Those old lemons are completely dry up and can be served as a kharka.
Huh? That's how it is? Huh? Oh God, but his head is swinging hard. If we don't give him extract for hangover, he will chew up our brain.
Mota bhai, shall I give him yesterday's night leftover alcohol pack?
You do anything you wish, but tell me, bar opens at 12 p.m., right?
Yes, but we have the keys to open the bar.
You do what you want, but make sure to cool down his head, else he will eat up our brains.
Okay, fine.
Hey, Rambarase, where are you leaving me alone here?
Mota bhai,
Huh?
I am not leaving you.
Hey, do one thing. Take this passbook and get it updated urgently. Mona had told me about this.
Mota bhai, you follow orders from your ex-employees?
Hey, it is not like that. It is an important work have told me to do it.
Okay,
Huh?
I will do it. Do one thing. Take this pen and write down.
Take this.
Room number 111.
Huh?
Give Lele an extract for alcohol.
Huh?
Room number 110.
Huh?
Bedsheet change
Huh?
and unloading vegetable. Stock once it arrives.
Hey, what are you doing?
Mota bhai, this is for you. See, I will get your work done of passbook updation. So you will be doing my work.
Oh, hey, what is this? I will be doing all this work?
Yes, Mota bhai. I understand you. You understand me.
Got it. You do your work. I will get the passbook updated.
Thank you, Mota bhai. Thank you. Hey, what kind of bag? These customers bring all sort of funny things with them. Let's see. Where is Mota bhai? What must be in this bag? Let it be. I am not concerned about it. What should I do with this bag? We'll keep it here. Owner will collect it from here.
Hey, what are you doing here?
It's me. I work here. What are you doing here?
What I am doing here? I have checked in the hotel, I have paid the money.
No, not like that. I mean, what are you doing in this lounge?
That man that was before, where is him?
I am right here only since morning.
No, not you. That person was different.
Different?
Ah,
Something before and now also. I am the same person. How can I look different?
no, yaar. He was talking in a different way.
Different style?
Yes.
Means?
I mean, he had in general about sex. He had a little knowledge.
Hey, Mr. Lele, you are talking obscene, derogatory, unparliamentary.
See, I am talking correct. Sex means in reference to grammar. I mean, तू इतना काय करती और वो लोग का गई? This type of talking.
Got it. You are talking about our Mota Bhai, the manager of this hotel.
Yes, वो किधर गई?
She went outside. What did you want from she?
क्या काम है नहीं? मेरा डोका चढ़नी.
Where?
Climbing means not climbing on the hills or stairs. My head is high means my head is paining a lot. That Mota Bhai was supposed to send lemon juice to me.
Yes. Just bringing the lemon juice.
Bringing means where is the lemon? Where is the water?
Oh, the lemons have not arrived yet.
Not arrived? What do you mean? There is no season for lemons like mangoes and jackfruits.
Hey, not like that. They have not arrived means not like they are being produced.
So,
You see, vegetable vendor comes at around 1 pm.
ah,
No, 2 pm. Or maybe he will arrive by 3 to 4 pm. Definitely then I will bring the lemons. to
what's
you.
the use then? Such a big hotel of yours and there is no lemon in the kitchen. No mango, no orange, I can understand, but no lemon. Huh? No lemon in the hotel.
No. We always have a big stock of it in our hotel.
That's what I'm saying.
As of now, don't have it.
Why?
You see, lot of customers drank vodka in our bar yesterday. And they also take gin.
Vodka drinkers squeeze the lemon in the drink, I know. But why would people wearing jeans squeeze lemon?
Hey. Not those wearing gin.
Then,
Gin drinkers, gin. They squeeze lemon in their drink.
yes, I know that. My head is spinning, but I have not lost the control. But it's a big headache. How do I remove the hangover?
Take one peg for the same. Best idea.
What best? The bar opens at 12 pm. That's what said your Motia.
Motia? Yes. Mota Bhai.
Yes, that's that.
Don't worry. You will get the drink in your hands in few seconds, few hours.
Sure, will I?
Don't worry.
My head is spinning. Before it whirls, I need a glass of drink. Okay? Haan.
Keep waiting.